Hi there, I'm Cooper Killian, proud to represent Golden Rule. Today we will talk about a home improvement solution that could make a world of difference in your daily life, the benefits of a water softener. As technicians at Golden Rule, we've seen the impact of hard water in many homes. Those pesky limescale deposits on your faucet, dry skin, and lackluster hair, yep, we've seen it all. But fear not, because today we're diving into why installing a Golden Rule water softener is a game changer for homeowners. So what's the first benefit? Hard water can wreak havoc on your skin and hair. It leaves your skin dry and your hair looking dull. But with a Golden Rule water softener, you can enjoy smoother skin and shinier, healthier hair. You may not know this, but hard water can also affect household appliances. It leads to limescale buildup in dishwashers, washing machines, and water heaters, which can mean costly repairs or replacements. But with the Golden Rule water softener, you can significantly extend the life of these appliances and save money in the long run. Tired of constantly buying soap and detergent? Softened water lathers more easily, so you'll need less soap and detergent for your dishes and laundry. That saves you money and reduces your environmental footprint, something we at Golden Rule truly care about. Nobody likes dealing with clogged pipes or fixtures stained by mineral deposits. Our Golden Rule water softeners are designed to prevent these issues by removing the minerals responsible for those stubborn buildups. Want to cut down on energy bills? Golden Rule water softeners make heating water more efficient, which translates to more energy savings and lower utility costs. Now let's address some important questions. While Golden Rule water softeners offer numerous benefits, it's important to be aware of a potential downside. For most people, drinking softened water is perfectly safe. The sodium levels are typically not a concern. However, we recommend consulting your healthcare provider if you have dietary restrictions. While Golden Rule water softeners make your water feel softer and reduce mineral content, they may not necessarily improve the taste of drinking water. If you're looking for better tasting water, consider additional filtration options. Are you wondering if your home needs a Golden Rule water softener? Consider one of the expert solutions if you're dealing with limescale, stained fixtures, and increased soap usage due to hard water. To wrap things up, installing a Golden Rule water softener in your home can transform your daily life. If you're tired of dealing with the effects of hard water, don't wait. Contact Golden Rule today and let us help you enjoy the benefits of softer, smoother living. We're here to assist you, so contact us and explore your water softening options. Thank you for considering Golden Rule, where we treat your home like our own. Take care and remember, at Golden Rule, your satisfaction is our top priority.